everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English Talk Cafe, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Emma. It is so good to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm very happy to be here. How about you, Jack?
I'm good too. The sun is shining and I am ready to discuss a great topic.
Yes, it's a super helpful topic. Today, we are going to focus on daily life, how to talk about the things we do throughout our day.
That's right. It's one of the first things you talk about when you meet someone new. Questions like, how was your day? Or what do you do every day?
Exactly, and it's a simple way to practice your basic English. Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much. Okay, Emma, let's start. What does your morning look like?
In the morning, I wake up at 7. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. What about you?
Oh, I wake up a little later, at 8. I like to drink a glass of water first. After that, I make coffee.
Ah, coffee is important. I make coffee too. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread and butter. It's very simple.
I like to eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
It's a good breakfast. After that, I check my email on my computer.
Me too. I check my phone and my email. It's a habit, a daily habit. Then I start work.
What time do you start work, Jack?
Sometimes I work from home, like today. I start work at 9:30.
I start work at 9 o'clock. I work from home too, so I just sit at my desk. It's easy. I have a meeting every morning at 10 o'clock.
A meeting is a good way to start the day. It's good for talking to your colleagues, the people you work with.
Yes, and I like my colleagues. They are very friendly. We talk about our weekend or our hobbies.
That's nice. My colleagues and I talk about our projects. We have many projects to finish. It's busy.
Ah, yes, my day is busy too. I have many things to do, a long to-do list.
Me too, a long list. I write my list every morning. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good tip. I should do that. After your morning work, what do you do?
After my morning work, I eat lunch. Lunch is at 12. I eat something fast, like a sandwich.
Lunch is a good break. I like to eat a salad for lunch. It's light and fresh.
Oh, a salad is a great choice. After lunch, I work again. I work until 5:30. My workday is a little longer.
5:30 is a good time to stop. And after work, what's next for you?
I like to go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour. I feel good after the gym.
Oh, that's great. I don't go to the gym. I walk in the park. It's a nice park near my house. I walk for 30 minutes.
Walking is good exercise too. It's relaxing. You can listen to music or a podcast.
Exactly. I listen to music. I love music. After my walk, I go home and cook dinner.
What do you cook for dinner?
I cook simple things like pasta with tomato sauce or chicken with vegetables. Do you like to cook?
I do. I love cooking. I cook something new every week. Last night I cooked a fish dish. It was delicious.
Wow, that sounds very nice. I'm not a good cook, so I keep it simple. After dinner, I relax. I watch a TV show.
Me too. I watch a movie or a TV series. I like comedy shows. They make me laugh.
Oh, me too. A good comedy show is perfect after a long day. And I read a book before bed. It helps me sleep.
That's a great idea. Reading is very relaxing. I just go to bed. I'm very tired. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Me too. 10 o'clock is my bedtime. It's important to sleep well. So that's my day, a typical day.
Yes, it sounds very nice. It's a good routine.
Key daily life phrases. So Jack, let's talk more about some simple phrases to talk about daily life.
Yes, let's do it. What's a good phrase to start with?
How about, I wake up at? It's a perfect phrase to talk about your morning. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, and you can say the time, 7 a.m., 8 o'clock, or 6 in the morning. It's very clear.
Another good phrase is, I eat breakfast, lunch, dinner at, for example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
That's a good one. You can talk about your food too. I eat toast for breakfast.
Very good. What about work? For work, you can say, I start work at 9 a.m. and I finish work at 5 p.m. This tells people about your work schedule.
Perfect. And if you don't work, you can say, I go to school or I study. These are all very common phrases for daily conversation.
And for activities after work?
You can say, I go to the gym, or I go for a walk, or I cook dinner. These are all daily activities.
Yes. And for relaxing, you can say, I watch TV, or I read a book.
Or I listen to music. These are great for talking about your free time.
So let's review the simple structures. Daily routine. Structure. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat eggs for breakfast. I start work at 9:30 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go to the gym. I cook dinner. I watch, read, or listen to. I watch a TV show. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Wow, that is a lot of good phrases and they are easy to use. I like that.
Daily chores and hobbies. Let's talk about some other things we do daily, like chores.
Oh yes, chores are the tasks we do in the house, like cleaning, right? I do the dishes after dinner. It's a daily chore.
Yes, I do the dishes too, and I clean the kitchen. It's a small thing, but I do it every day.
A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I also take out the trash on certain days.
And what about hobbies?
Hobbies are great to talk about. I play the guitar. I practice for 20 minutes every day.
Wow, that's a great hobby. I like to draw. I draw in my sketchbook for a little bit every evening.
So you can say, I play the guitar, or I draw. Simple and easy. You can also say how often. I play video games every day, or I listen to podcasts on the bus.
So, in summary, you can talk about your day by using simple sentences. You can talk about your routine from morning to night.
And you can talk about your hobbies and your chores too. These are all part of your daily life, and the structures we shared today make it easy.
This is a great way for beginners to start talking. Just use these simple words and phrases.
Thank you so much, Emma. This was a great episode. I had a lot of fun.
Me too, Jack. It's always fun to talk about these things.
So thank you to all our listeners for joining us today. We hope this episode helps you talk about your daily life.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you do every day. We would love to read your comments.
Yes, please do. Tell us about your morning or your favorite hobby.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you next time on English Talk Cafe.
Bye. Have a good day.